Semway Group is one of the main manufacturers of electric bicycles in China, specializing in the production of electric bicycles. Established in 2011, Semway Group has been focusing on the research and development, production and sales of lithium battery e-bike for more than 14 years. Semway has invested tens of millions of dollars to gradually establish and improve the e-bike assembly factory, frame factory, battery factory, motor factory, and spray paint factory, has production base of more than 9,000 square meters. The annual production capacity exceeds 200,000 PCS. Equipped with professional technicians and foreign trade team to undertake global orders of OEM customization, ODM development, design and production. Semway Group has 2 factories, 5 overseas warehouses and 3 after-sales service centers. Semway covers in Europe Union, North America, Japan, South Korea, Middle East, Australia, and other countries and regions. Semway e-bikes have successfully obtained CE, FCC, SAA, PSE, KC, and other certifications, have obtained up to 25 UIPO and Chinese patent certificates. All e-bikes have CPIC Global Insurance. You can get strong protection, all-round cooperation with Semway Group. Semway Group is committed to creating global green travel and providing professional and high-quality lithium e-bike for global users.